but it can hurt too. You simply must go on as best as you can.
The only concert queen, full of emotion. Passionate and soulful. The album Nagmamahal Pa Rin Sa'yo is now a gold record.
Sa pagkanta ni Pops, nakita ko yung lalim. Ramdam na ramdam niya yung mga lyrics. So, we will be looking forward to the platinum mark. Pops, congratulations, ha?
Martin and I composed Shine for Pops, which is included sa gold record album niya. Talagang nag-shine siya dito. Congratulations, Pops.
Pops, after the storm, ready to face a new life ahead.
Pops is a very strong woman. At maraming nakamiss sa kanya sa actress. Siguro it's about time na gumawa ka agad ng pelikula. And after this Golden Record Award, isa pa dapat. At sana naman magkasama rin tayo sa pelikula. More power to you, Pops, and I'm here to support you.
Congratulations sa'yo at finally nag-reach na ng gold yung album mong May Nagmamahal Pa Rin Sa'yo. I will pray that soon it will turn platinum. Don't forget to thank the Lord, not just for the talent He gave you, but all the blessings He's been showering upon you. We love you. We'll always be here for you, Mama, me, Joey, and Edwin. More power to you. I hope you'll have more shows, more projects to come.
There is only one concert queen in our hearts. The woman of strength moves on. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Pops Fernandez.
Sabi mo na ako lamang ang pag-ibig mo na walang papalit. Ako lamang para sa'yo, di ba pangako mo sa'kin? Hindi mo iiwan at hindi papabayaan. Ngunit bakit nga ba nagkaganito na wala ang lahat, pati mga pangako
Good. Troy!
What a surprise! Thank you so much
Surprise,
to Troy and
Papa.
of course Rustum,
Yeah.
two of my very good friends.
Yeah, we know that we give the flowers to the guests, no? Pero I think
You're
akala
not
mo sa...
supposed to keep them. You're supposed to give them
Meron pa tayong sorpresa para kay Pops.
Oh, may
Dahil ang
surprise
kanyang
pa
album
kami.
na nagmamahal pa rin sa'yo ay Gold!
Thank you.
Congratulations, Pops. Go for the platinum. Go.
Yes. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, syempre, na tumangkilig sa Nagmamahal pa rin sa'yo. You just can't imagine how hard I've been working for this album dahil actually after a long time na nagre-record po ako, finally naka-gold po uli ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Well-deserved naman yan, Pops.
They
And of
actually,
course,
Pop, you've been working very hard.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
hindi lang si recording sa lahat ng bagay.
pero yung kasama
Kaibigan ko
mo
talaga
na
ako.
nagtatrabahong maigi para sa album na to, gusto natin
Yes.
tawagin. Of course, Mr. Benny Saturno,
Alright.
yung producer. Benny!
Then,